What's going on, my fellow go-getters? Nam Ratna here, Go Get It Real Estate Team, wonderful West End, Winnipeg, Manitoba. And I'm standing in one of our very first rentals that we got way back 2014. Now, I want to ask you two questions, okay? Number one, did you know that you can own a rental property like this for free with no money in it? That's what we own this property for free, and every month we get a monthly cash flow about 260, 280. And we are getting an infinity ROI. Infinity ROI. Now, number two question, do you want to learn how you can do the same thing? Okay, if you said yes to the second question, then I want you to do is perk up your ears, listen up, pull out your phone, pull out your calculator on your phone, and I'm going to give you a quick breakdown, okay? So we bought this property for $115,000 about 2014. So at that time, in order to close on that property, this rental property, we needed 20% down for the down payment, plus another $2,500 for closing costs, okay? So what I want you to do is on your phone, put $115,000 down times 0.2, which equals $23,000, plus another $2,500 for closing costs. So we needed $25,500 to purchase this property. I didn't have that money, my business partners didn't have that money. What did we do? Something that we teach our students, how do we raise capital? Okay, we're bringing value to the table, we're gonna go find a money partner to get in on this deal. So we found someone to bring, family friend of ours, $25,500, okay? Plus, after we evaluated this property, we realized that we needed about $11,000 for repairs. So plus another $11,000, which came from that investor. Plus another $3,000 for holding cost. While we're renovating the property, we were very conservative and said we need another $3,000 for any property tax, utilities, and all that kind of stuff. Okay, that's very high overestimation, but that's just how we roll. So that's $39,500 from our investor that we needed. He gave us that money and we're on our way. So we bought the property. We already evaluated and knew if we put in $11,000, fix it up, it's going to get revalued around $185,000 to $190,000. That's based on our analysis, okay? Now, 30 days later, what happens? We fixed it all up, put $11,000, and this is where the magic happens, guys. The bank sent an appraiser back to the property. We got it appraised for $188,000, okay? Crazy, I know, fantastic. Now, we refinanced to $185,000. Now, this is where I'm gonna make sure you guys focus in, okay? So take $185,000 on your calculator, go times 0.8, because that's what the bank will give you, the value of 80% of that value, which equals $148,000. Now what you need to do is wipe out the original purchase price, which includes the mortgage and the down payment from the investor. So that's minus $115,000. That leaves you with $33,000. Now so that's taking care of the mortgage, original mortgage, and our investor's down payment. Now we have to subtract from that $33,000 that's left over another $2,500 that we got from the investor for the closing costs, minus another $11,000 for the repairs, minus another $3,000 for the holding costs that we did, right? So that's the total of $39,500 that our investor gave to us. On the refinance of the property, he got it all back into his bank account, and it's just chilling there, okay? Now we have $16,500 left from that refinance. We gave our investor in 30 days another $5,000 for a return. So on $39,500, he got a $5K return in 30 days. Boom. That's crazy. Now we're left with $11,500. Now what does that tell you? That tells you that my company, after we paid out our investor got his money back, his down payment, his return. My company got paid $11,500 to own this property. And this $11,500, guys, is tax-free. I know, it blew my mind the first time I learned about it, and the first time I did it, I was blown away. And this is how we bought a bunch of properties in our first 2 years, over 20 in our first 2 years, however many we did. And you can do the same. You can 100% do the same thing. Now, this may all seem easy. There's a process. You need to learn how to find the deals. You need to learn how to raise the capital. You need to learn how to evaluate the property, knowing what the value is going to be after you fix it up. You need to know how to manage contractors. That's why you need to invest in yourself and educate yourself and connect with guys like us. So if you want to do this, you want to do what we're doing, because you can. We're not rocket scientists over here, because you can do this stuff as well. What I recommend you to do is click the link below and book a strategy session. Book a strategy session. What I've also done for you guys is put a free ebook on how to buy properties for profit. Take a read, see the kind of value that I'm going to give you, and then book a session with me. Okay? You can click the link below, get the free ebook, and you can also book a session with me, guys. Nam Ratna here. Remember, dreams are big, taking action is bigger. Now's the time to take action. Let's go buy properties for free. It's called the Buy, Fix, Refinance, Rent, and I'm the guy to teach you. And remember, go get it.